Ever struggled with Adobe Illustrator's stark white canvas? You're not alone. Changing the background color can make a significant difference in your design process. And it's like switching from night to day. Let's dive in. First, open Adobe Illustrator and create a new document. If you have an existing one, no worries. Anything works as long as you can see the canvas. It's like canvassing for a mural you need. Look to your left and you'll find the toolbar, Illustrator's trusty Swiss Army knife. If it's hidden, hit window and select tools. And it's like finding an umbrella on a rainy day. And essential, right? Now spot that little double square icon on the toolbar. It's the fill and stroke color. Think of it as your canvas's makeup kit. Click on the fill square. That's where you change the base color of your canvas. Once you click it, a color swatch panel emerges. Now pick any color your creative instinct desires. Illustrator feels like a box of crayons, free to explore. But shades too dark might occlude your designs. Watch out. Click View, and then select Show Transparency Grid. So here's a pro tip. This option lets you view your background as a transparency, helping refine color decisions. Got that? All right. Now you won't have to trust your screen's brightness when a color pops. A visible grid offers clarity, saving hours of rechecking, clear sight, a designer's dream. Next, go to File, and choose Document Setup. A pop-up lets you click Simulate Colored Paper. This step is crucial. Visualizing your background with real-life colors accelerates design accuracy. Think no more guesswork. Within the document setup menu, the transparency grid and background options shine. Change your background by selecting a color from here. It's the key to lasting usability. Options and colors seem endless, don't they? Hover over OK after setting your desired color. Click it. Boom, you've officially changed your Illustrator background color. It feels like switching house, wallpaper, without breaking a sweat or ink. Remember this trick when designing logos, illustrations, or even swag projects. It influences the outcome like night and day. Plus your eyes will thank you after staring at something other than white. It's a win-win. Now, with this newfound wisdom, navigate to your own Illustrator world and break the routine of white canvases and see how a simple color swap transcends your design approach. It's like opening doors you never knew existed, made